Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, I love any Dollar Tree craft because it's easy and it's cheap. And it's super close to my house too, so it's fairly easy to go to all the time. Today I was on Facebook and I saw a super fun craft to do for my son. My oldest son is 2.5 and he's going to be going to preschool in September. So I want to get him, starting to work on writing, coloring, learning his numbers, stuff like that. So I saw this and I had to do it. So I got this chopping mat from Dollar Tree and it comes in a 2-pack. So I'm gonna open this real quick and then explain what we're going to be doing. So they are clear, so you can barely see them, but there are 2 of them. And what we are going to be doing is we're going to be using vinyl and we're going to put it on the back side and have it like handwriting. And then we also got dry erase markers from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to make the handwriting lines and then put his name, maybe some numbers, do something so that he can start practicing writing his name. So I'm going to bring you to the computer to show what fonts I'm going to be using, and then we're going to get this thing started. Okay, so you're going to go to dafont.com and you are going to type in dots. This is the font that I picked right here, and it is free to use. So I just hit download and then double clicked it, make sure it got sent to my computer so that I could save it as a font. Now for the handwriting lines, I just went to Google, typed in blank handwriting worksheet, picked this one, saved it to my computer, and voila. I also found this font right here. This one is called School Script Dashed, but the only thing is it's not really easy to trace, but I thought that would be really cute to put at the top. And then this is what I've got so far. I've just started working on it, so it's not finished, but this is the blank worksheet right here, and then as you can see right there, that is his name in the dots. So it's so easy for him to trace just like that, and you just put it on top. So I'm going to finish out the rest. Oh, hi kitty, how you doing? So I'm going to finish this real quick and then we will start printing it out on our vinyl. Okay, so I've got everything that I want on there. So I've got his name, I've got all the numbers and all the letters. Now I just have to size it, which our cutting mat is pretty big, so it is going to be very large. I'm probably not going to take up the entire spot either. So we're gonna have to measure real quick and then we're going to start cutting. I've said this in one of my other videos, but just in case you haven't watched that far back, to make sure that I'm always making everything fit correctly, is I always make a box using this icon right here, the same size as whatever I'm putting something on, and then I just directly put it on top, even though I'm gonna have to send it to the front. I'll do that in a minute, and then measure it that way. So I just measured, and the cutting board is 14 inches across by 11 inches in width. And since I'm cutting on a 12 by 12, I obviously can't cut that much. And I wanted to leave some room just in case something happens. All right, so we mirrored it so we can put it on the back side, so whenever he's drawing, he's not actually drawing on the vinyl. So we're going to go ahead and put it on. So as you can see, we messed up quite a bit. We lost a lot of dots, like in the X. This is a lot bigger than this. We lost some of these pieces, which we could go in later and fix, but you can definitely tell what it's supposed to say. I mean, you get the point. So just to end the video, we have our Dollar Tree dry erase markers that we're going to be using. And if I hadn't said it before, this is mirrored, so this is actually on the back side. So when you touch this, you're not touching the vinyl. So that makes it easier whenever you are trying to write on it. So you wouldn't be pulling anything up. So I'm going to take a black dry erase marker and just start tracing. So that obviously says Jackson. I'm going to take a wet paper towel and wipe it off. As you can see, none of the vinyl is coming off because it is on the back side. So you can reuse this over and over and over again. Thanks so much for watching.